Here is a Java graphical tutorial developed earlier. Honestly, it's very beautiful, and it will definitely make sense sharing this graphical artwork with you guys out there. The next thing I will do is actually take you straight into the development environment and show you how I actually put together this design using the graphic method within the Java programming application. So let's go into the design view now. To start with, I will suggest you make sure you import the following. You must import all of the above. You have to make sure you import the abstract windows tool, the geometry. After abstract windows tool, all the swing, I will advise you to import all of those classes. Now, the next thing I did was, let me go straight into the design view right here. Okay, that's the component or radio button that I used. If I right click on that radio button, it shows you what's there, but the first thing is I actually call it I star. So let's go straight into what I star has got to offer to us. Right here, that's the code. Here are the coordinates for the lines that I've defined, and here I have my graphic method defined. Then right here I created the star from series of points. There they are. And the next thing I did was to set the initial coordinate of the general path, which is right there. That's for the initial coordinate. And right here I used a loop there. I created the star, and then just right below here I closed the shape. Then the next thing I did here in the translate section, I actually translated the origin of each star. Okay, then I used another for loop to round the origin and draw the star at random. That's what I did here with that. Rotate the origin and I just draw the star at random, and that is all that I did. But for these very few lines of code right here, if I run it and show you what will happen, run it now. Now that the program is running, if I click on I star, that is what you see. So what I will now do is make sure I star actually fill up this screen. So I will need one here, another one here, another one here. So let me go back to the code. Right here in the code, right here, I will define another method and variables. So I've copied that, I paste 2, 3 and 4. So I will call this 2, 3, 4. You guys seeing that? I will now come down here, repeat exactly the same thing that I've done, copy that and change it, just paste. So I have my variable 2, 3 and 4, and that's for the location. Now that my variables are in place, the next thing I will do is to translate the location for these new variables. So I've changed that to 800. I'm going to repeat the same thing to this, and then change that to 500 and this to 500. Okay, the next thing is these very lines of code right here is to actually rotate around the original and draw the stars at random. So what I'll do is just copy all of these I'll copy them, and the only changes that will be carried out is just change the variables. So come right down, change that to 2 2 2, and the next one for 3 3 3 and 3, and the next one will be 4 and a 4 and a 4. Those are, I've now used up all my variables. So let me just build. I finished building my program, so I just need to click on my I star, and that's the result. That is beautiful, guys. I'll take you back to the codes so that you guys see how I put this together. You can have a good look at it, and hopefully you should enjoy it. So let's go back to the code one more time. That's the final code. Okay, I'll just scroll down gradually so that you can have a good look at it. And that's how I develop what I call my own graphical I star. So I run it one more time and just call it a day. I hope you all enjoy this, and bye for now.